Deep sleep. This is when your body does its most important repair work. You may look completely still from the outside, but inside, an extraordinary recovery process is underway. During deep sleep, your heart rate slows and your muscles fully relax. The body shifts energy away from activity and toward repair. Growth hormone is released, helping maintain tissues throughout the body. While you're deeply asleep, the brain increases its waste-clearing activity, helping remove byproducts that build up during the day. It's one of the reasons deep sleep is considered so important for recovery and health. Deep sleep isn't simply rest. It's active maintenance for your body and brain. So while you're unconscious, your body is busy performing one of the most important jobs of the entire day.